Hi, this is Tony Cook, and this is What's in the Box. Today we're looking at a special run produced by Accurail for the Professional Car Society's Illini chapter located in Palatine, Illinois. What we have here is a car. This is a 50-foot double plug door, typical Accurail HO scale kit, easy to build, economically priced. This is the American Car and Foundry paint scheme applied to the one-of-a-kind High-Cube prototype, which was an 85-foot car produced by American Car and Foundry in conjunction with Ford Motor Company, Illini, SP, and Wabash, and that car dates to the early 1960s. And afterwards, Pullman Standard, Thrall, and Greenville, and other companies all started building 85-foot high cubes, but ACF never did. So it was kind of a unique car, and so it's fun to see this paint scheme applied to this 50-foot boxcar. Again, this is a special run release produced by Accurail for the Professional Car Society's Palatine, Illinois Illini chapter. Take a look at Accurail.com and go to their new releases page, and you'll see listings for not only their releases, but releases they make that are special or limited runs for various organizations, and you can find a link there to purchase yours. It looks like a neat car and a fun collector's item, and that's what's in the box today. Thanks for watching.